All right, Braden, so we are pulling up this grass, creating an edge, and then putting the rosebush here and putting the grass over there. There's a spade right here. Rosie, are you helping? She's like, let me help you. Let me help you. I want to help you. Let me be a helper.
Got you.
Huh?
What is so wrong?
She always cries about everything.
She's really good.
Let's see. Did we get it all? Come from this way, AJ.
Wait,
Yeah, but you don't want to rip it because... Okay, good. All right, roll it this way. Roll it this way. All right, Braden, bring that rose pot over here.
Which one? This one?
Yep. It's gonna be heavy.
Oh, no. Oh.
So warm?
It might be heavy, more like a...
Put in the thing.
Yeah, it's gross.
Put in the thing. Where's that gate going?
Okay, help me lift this away, AJ, and then we'll... No, move out. Move where you're at, because we're gonna move this over there. What happened?
Are you gonna use your hands?
Nope, let's dig a hole.
Yeah.
But before we do that, we need to make an edge all the way around.
And let me go get you some gloves.
Okay, so the idea here is, look AJ, is we need to have a trench so the grass doesn't try to grow into this.
How deep?
That's the depth I want right there. So we gotta keep going around.
Oh, okay, let me just get this out.
Dig a circle holder in the middle. So this will be the barrier that the grass is not allowed to grow through. Lean it over, and we're gonna roll it into the hole.
So about cool.
Okay, so let's try to grab it from here, Brady. See that part? There we go. Okay, listen, this long place needs to go out to the left because it's growing too far. Okay, cool. Good job. Alright, let's push all this back in. Alright, now the goal is to have a ledge away from the grass. So when you're scooping it in, Brayden, kind of create a finger ledge there and scoop it in. So if you do that, when you edge it, it'll have this dry barrier and the grass will not grow into it. But it will get water from
Where's the little puppy? She around the wheelbarrow?
No.
You want the dirt on this side right here?
Yeah, so we need to level it up. I want to go, I put this here, I think. Yeah, move that. And let's bring up the, let's bring up the dirt to here, and then we'll put the, what it looks like, and then we'll situate the space. Okay, so turn this kind of, put this side on that side, I think.
Right here to here?
Yeah. Nope, this side, that side. There you go.
That's not that bad.
Well, let's tamp down the dirt to make the level kind of go more level with. Scoot it that way a smidge.
There's an earwig on it.
Where? Family of centipedes, I think.
Alright, well, as this grass grows back, it'll fill in.
Rosie! Rosie!
You could put some like grass seed right here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe on this corner too.
Alright, let's put our tools away. That's what I wanted to do.
Now we could go boating?